Before you can use your new credit card or replacement card, you need to activate your credit card, a quick, easy step that helps to protect both you and the credit card issuer from credit card fraud. Why is credit card activation so important? When a credit card issuer sends you a credit card through the mail, there's no guarantee that the credit card will reach the right person. If you recently moved and didn't update your address with your credit card issuer, your credit card could be sent to a previous address by mistake. Your credit card could also be stolen before it has the chance to reach you, a rare occurrence, to be sure, but not impossible. This is why it's important to activate your credit card as soon as you receive it. Completing the activation process verifies your identity and ensures the credit card has reached its rightful owner. But how do you activate a credit card? Today, most credit card activation processes can be completed online or through a mobile app, although you can also activate your credit card by phone. Here's what you need to know about credit card activation, including what might happen if you don't activate your new credit card. How to activate a credit card by phone or online. Most major credit card companies make it simple to activate a credit card by phone or online. Your new credit card may come with a welcome letter explaining the activation process, or there may be a sticker on your card with an activation phone number and website address. If the sticker is missing or there's no letter, or if you still have questions about the activation process, you can always call the customer service number on the back of the card. The credit card activation process includes two major steps. Verifying your identity. Verifying the card details. In the first case, you may need to provide basic identifying information such as your name, your social security number, and your date of birth. In the second case, you may need to provide basic credit card information such as your credit card number, the CVV, card verification value, the 3 or 4-digit code on your card, and the credit card PIN. Have your new credit card close at hand as you begin the verification process. When you activate a credit card online, you can often streamline the process by logging into your credit card account first. This step helps to verify your identity and prove that the credit card has reached its rightful owner. Many credit card issuers offer activation websites that don't require you to log into an account first, but some credit card issuers require you to set up an online banking account before you can activate your credit card. In many cases, you can also activate your credit card by opening your credit card issuer's mobile app. Some credit card mobile apps allow you to use your phone's camera to verify and activate your card, saving you the trouble of entering your credit card information manually. If you prefer to activate your credit card via phone, call the number on the activation sticker attached to your card, or, if the credit card issuer doesn't provide a separate activation phone number, call the number on the back of your card. Then, be ready to provide basic information that will verify both your identity and the credit card you received, your social security number, the CVV, and so on. If you have any concerns or issues with the activation process, you can always contact your credit card issuer's customer service department. Most credit card issuers have multiple customer service options, including phone, email, and Facebook message, all of which can help you get your questions answered and your credit card activated. How to activate a credit card by issuer. Although nearly all credit card issuers allow you to activate credit cards over the phone or online, each major credit card issuer has a slightly different activation process. How to activate a credit card with Chase. To activate a credit card with Chase, visit the secured website link provided on the sticker attached to your credit card. You can also call the number on the back of your card, and you may also be able to activate your Chase card by logging into your online or mobile account. If you have questions about the credit card activation process, call the number on the back of your card or contact Chase customer service at 1-800-935-9935. How to activate a credit card with Citi. To activate a credit card with Citi, visit Citibank Card Activation or call the number on the back of your card. You can also activate your Citi card by logging into your online or mobile account, and if you don't have a Citi mobile account yet, you can activate your card when you download and set up the Citi mobile app. If you have questions about the Citi credit card activation process or the Citi mobile app, call the number on the back of your card or contact Citi customer service at 1-800-950-5114. How to activate a credit card with Discover. To activate a credit card with Discover, visit Discover's new card activation or call the number on the back of your card. You can also activate your Discover card by logging into your online or mobile account. If you have questions about the credit card activation process, call the number on the back of your card or contact Discover customer service at 1-800-347-2683. How to activate a credit card with Wells Fargo. To activate a credit card with Wells Fargo, log into your Wells Fargo online or mobile account or call the number on the back of your card. If you have questions about the credit card activation process, call the number on the back of your card or contact Wells Fargo customer service at 1-800-642-4720. What happens when you don't activate a credit card? Some people don't activate their credit cards right away. They might misplace the envelope containing the credit card, decide they're no longer interested in the credit account, or tell themselves they can always activate their credit card tomorrow. Don't assume that if you never activate your credit card, the account will close on its own. It won't. In fact, not activating your credit card may negatively affect your credit score and leave you open to credit card fraud. How not activating a credit card affects your credit score. As soon as you're approved for a credit card, your credit card issuer begins reporting information in your new line of credit to the 3 credit reporting bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. The reports, which are sent every month or so, include your new credit limit, any new or transferred balances, as well as any payments made, or missed, on your new credit card. This is why it's important to activate your credit card right away. If you ignore your credit card activation or throw your card in a drawer, any fees related to that card will still take effect when due. Many people don't realize that credit card annual fees, as well as fees associated with secured credit cards, will be charged to your account regardless of whether the card is activated or not. If you're not paying attention, late fees and interest will start to accrue on your card, while late payments and poor credit utilization will be reported to credit bureaus. What to do if you don't want to activate your credit card? If you wait too long to activate, some credit card companies may reach out to you. Your credit card issuer may even call you to remind you about the card, and if you want to close the account, you can do so over the phone at that time. You can also contact your credit card issuer directly to begin the process of closing the account in your own. Keep in mind that closing a credit card account may negatively affect your credit score by reducing your overall available credit and increasing your credit utilization ratio.